YouTubers. This video, it's not a demonstration video, it's just an information video. I've had my Slingshot for about a month, and this is just my thoughts about it and how it performs, about the company. They sent out an email to all their customers asking what was the one thing that frustrated you the most about enjoying and getting the most out of the Slingshot, which is good because it shows that they're concerned and they want to make it a better product. With me, it's not the product. The product's great, love the product, and I'll get into that later. My biggest frustration was their webpage, and their webpage is dismal. I worked in the IT industry for 30 plus years. I have done web development, I've done projects, I've done forms, I've done applications that people use. So I understand what people are looking for. And their webpage is so frustrating to navigate. You get into it, you hit the home, and it's got all these reviews and a bunch of pictures and looks real nice. You hit the menu bar, the 3 lines, and you get like press kit, press, and I don't care about that stuff. That's not what I'm there for. I'm there to buy a product. I'm there to look at their products. And I'm going to give you one of my biggest pet peeves. Right there is a drop-down menu. Now, I know the secret to get there, because you got to know the path and you got to have your magic decoder ring, because it's not easy. And when you get on their webpage, you're going to have to go to buy a bundle or buy a product. You have to click that button and when you see it, and then you'll get an error and that page will come up. And that page has all the Slingshots, the DIY, the accessories, and everything. That page, that menu, should be the very first thing a customer sees when he comes into a web page. Okay, I don't care about the press. I don't care about anything else. Especially once I buy my package and I go back to get something else, which I did, I don't want to have to go through all of that again. There's people out there, and I've done it, that will get to that menu and bookmark it so that they can hit that bookmark and go right to that page. If your web page is forcing people to bookmark that page so they don't have to put up with the other crap, there's a big design flaw in your page. Sorry to say that, but if I produced a page like that, my customers would have pitched a giant fit. Period. Another issue that's frustrating, when you buy the bundles, the last time I checked, they show them in boxes. So you assume they're coming in boxes. And what you get is a little bag. Okay, there's nothing wrong about shipping it in a bag. The little plastic bags actually come in handy. But you need to update your web pages, or they do, to reflect that, because it's confusing. And what makes it even more frustrating is the product is so good. Normally I tell people, if you don't like the web page, don't even bother with them. Get it somewhere else, or get a different product. With this product, I'm saying you're just going to have to put up with their web page and find what you need to find and what you need to buy, because it's worth going through that to get their product, because it is a good product. I've had mine for a month, been real pleased. They have a ton of information videos out there that are great, that are helpful. Probably more than I've really ever seen on any other product. Nathan puts out a lot of videos, and they're extremely helpful. There's other people not connected with the company that puts out videos that are helpful. I've been doing videos on it. So it's a great product. There's plenty of information. Their customer service. my camera cut out again. I was to the point where I was going to tell you that their customer service at Slingshot is really good. I had issues with some bands. They fixed it, sent me out what I needed, and did it quick. So they do have good customer service. I'm old school. I'd like a number I could call, but they do it all through social media, which is fine. I mean, it's just because that's what I'm used to. But they do have good customer service. Now what I want to talk to you about is the product. When I picked this up, this is the slingbow. I assumed I was buying a slingshot in a bundle. And what I tell people is, if you buy one of their bundles with multiple heads, you're not really buying a slingshot. What you're buying is a system. And that's what I like about this so much, is because I consider this a slingshot, slingbow system, because I'm able to change out the heads. Now this is set up over the top for shot or round ball, and I can shoot this, and then when I want to, and I'm back to shooting arrows. I bought an extra head, and this is longer band. It's set up for half butterfly because I want to shoot different ways and have different setups where I don't have to tie the bands. I just put on a different head. This allows me in the future to even use different material, different types of band material, and put them on different heads and just switch them back out. That's why I tell people, I said, no, I didn't buy a slingshot, I bought a slingshot system. And what I mean by that is, now I can go bow fishing. I can take this off, I bought this and this adapter off their webpage to put this rig on it, on the slingshot, to turn it into bow fishing, sling bow fishing. You can hunt in Texas, depending on the arrow speed you're getting. I believe you can use these for hunting. Now, last I checked, in Texas you can hunt with these if you can't shoot ball ammo out of the slingshot. They have to be set up where they can only shoot arrows if you're going to hunt with them or hunt deer with them. This meets that requirements. Now, it was years ago since I checked, but that's one of the reasons I got this. And then I can just switch the head and small game. So that's what I said when I considered this a system, not just a slingshot. And I really love this. And it's durable. The quality of this thing is amazing. I mean, it just feels so good in the hand. I really enjoy shooting the sling bow and the round ball. I call it shot round ball. Really good. I use, and I would recommend that you use some kind of release. These, for me, the release really works out good. It came with a little leather tab, but boy, you got to be pretty strong to pull that back. That's not a weak band. So I've been using one of these, and really, really good. I would recommend that Simple Shots should offer these. I don't think they do, but if they do, I don't know. But if they don't, they should offer these on their webpage, some kind of release, because I recommend the release a lot. Another big surprise to me about these is they are a blast to shoot. These things are so fun. I was not expecting that. My son enjoys shooting. Well, this performs a whole lot better than my camera because it shut off again. So what I was saying about this slingshot and shooting it is that I have really enjoyed shooting this slingshot. I started off with the flat bands and 3/8 inch ammo, and I've been doing a lot of shooting with the arrows on the slingbow. Really enjoy it. Either one, I enjoy shooting either one. I've shot this almost every day since I've owned it, and because I like shooting it that much, and it's fun to shoot. I just was really surprised how much fun this thing was. When I bought it, I thought, well, I'll learn how to shoot it. I can shoot arrows from it, hunt, and take small game with the round ball, and practice and get pretty good with it. And I enjoy shooting it. I enjoy just plinking at the targets. I was surprised how much I enjoy it. I think I enjoy this more than when I shoot my bow. It's compact, doesn't take much room. I can come out and shoot it every day. In the confined area, it doesn't matter, and I just enjoy doing that. But after 30 days of owning this, I guess to sum it up, good product, outstanding product, tough, quality. It's a blast to shoot. I've got a complete system with I can, with being able to change out the heads. That's a huge advantage over having a static slingshot, in my opinion. Now, a lot of people do shoot the other slingshots, and they love them and enjoy shooting them. And I just like the ability to be able to change out the heads and just carry extra bands on the heads and just pop them in and out. Put the rod and reel on it, then I can go bow fishing. But 30 days after it came, love it. Highly recommend that if you're interested to get one of these, because it's quality, it's going to last forever, it just feels really good in the hand, performs every bit as what you would expect, even better. I'm surprised how powerful these things are. I'm used to the old wrist rockets. These are a lot more powerful, a lot more fun to shoot, and I just really enjoy it. But anyway, that's my thoughts on this, and thank you for watching the video.